uyabona ukuthi ukhothamile lo muntu lo he is worshiping the devil. That is why analezi zinto anazo. Uyabona ingakho uJesu athi komsizana umuntu ukuzuza izwe lonke alahleke lokuphila. Uyabona so ke ungabuki nje umuntu umkhalele ungamazi ukuthi ubuyapi, ungamazi ukuthi wenzani, inalishona ilanga awumazi. Uyabona awumazi ebusuku wenzani ngoba ezinye izinto zenziwe ebusuku. Uyabona abantu bayahlala emini babe normal, ebusuku bashintsha abantu. Angithi uyabona so ke baningi abantu abakhothamile bakhothama ukuthi bathola izinto ephathekayo, you know, and mase kuqhubeka isikhathi sihamba. Uyabona ke mase kuhamba isikhathi sekuyabonakala ukuthi man lo muntu lento le isiyamcosta manje, yamcosta lento le manje ngoba ziyaphatharelwa ngandlela thile. But ke asikho lapho, sisekutheni uJesu walingwa, you know, and manje njoba lingiwe uthi nawe ufikelwa ngokulingwa okungenje ngokwabantu. Lento ohlangana nayo i-common, you can just investigate, uzobona uzohlangana nabantu ozothola ukuthi balingwa njengawe, abanye balingwa even worse than you ngoba amandla wena walingani. Yabona balingwe ngento olingwe ngayo kodwa yabo was more intense than your temptation. Ingakho ngesisikhathi uyazi uyayukhuthazwe ukuthi endleleni yokukholwa, ukhuthazwe ukuthi kunabantu abakusherela ama testimony wabo. Wena ngesikhathi sokuthi uyagive up ngathi sokuthi ulahla itawula uthi hayi yazi mina sengiyahluleka, bese kuvela umuntu akunikeza i-testimony, and i-testimony yalo muntu isize wena ukuthi ubone ukuthi hayi bengicabanga ukuthi ngiwesikhathi ngingcono, ikunika amandla okuqhubeka endleleni. Uyabona so ke uJesu usho lamazwi ke bazalwane, you know, and ufundisile ngeparable. Khona iparable lapha ya, you know, the most important parable bazalwane, the most important parable. iBhayibheli nalikhuluma ngale parable ukuthi uyebaluleke kakhulu. So uJesu make ichaza ngoba khuluma ngabantu abayi4 la. Kuthiwa ke the parable of the sower. So ngayithola lapha ya kuMatthew chapter 13, the parable of the sower. Kuthiwa ke kwaphuma umuntu wayohlwanyela. Yabona kwaphuma umuntu wayohlwanyela bese kuthiwa ke enye imbewu yawela endleleni, enye imbewu yawela ematsheni, enye imbewu yawela la kunameva khona, enye yawela emhlabathini omuhle. So imbewu izwi lenkosi, indawo la imbewu iwela khona inhliziyo yomuntu. Yabona so ezinye inhliziyo zilikhuni njengendlela, ayikho indlela makuzohambeka kahle endleleni, it must be hard. So ezinye inhliziyo zabantu they are very hard, izwi alingeni, you know, alingeni, imbewu ayingeni. So ingakho they just reject the word, you know. But ke lo imbewu ewela emhlabathini ematsheni, so inhlabathi khona incane kunamatshe amaningi. So ke loyo uJesu maseka explainela ke yena, ngifuna ukuthi ucheck just that one ku Matthew chapter 13 verse number 20 and 21. Uthi ke but he who receives the seed on a stony place, that is he who hears the word and immediately receives it with joy. So lo muntu uyalamukela izwi ngentokozo, alamukele izwi ngentokozo. Uyabona so ajabule kakhulu ukuthi wow uyangiblessa lento, yet he has no roots in himself, akanampandela kuye, but endures only for a while. Ngoba kuthiwa la uma isasinike iparable athi when the sun shines, ilanga li every day bazalwane, we are expecting the sun to shine. So ilanga aliyoni i-enemy, ilanga nzenzela ijob yalo and kunama vitamins esiwathola elangeni. Kodwa uma ngabe ilanga likuthola unganazi izinto zokuzivikela from kulo noma liphethe into ezinhle, lingakulimaza ilanga. Uyabona so kuthi ke la uJesu uthi ke lo imbewu ewele ematsheni, a stony place, he receives the word with joy, and yet he has no roots, but endures only for a while. For when tribulation and persecution arises because of the word, he immediately stumbles. Yabo? Tribulation and persecution. when they arise. Akati if they arise. Uthi when they arise, because uma ethi when they arise, it's just a matter of time. They will arise. Temptations, tribulations will come, persecutions will come on account of the word. Yabo. Actually, uma ufunda ku Luke chapter 8, verse number 13, ukunikeza the very same parable uJesu, but the explanation yakhe ithe ukuhluka kancane. Uthi ke, but the one on a rock, the ones on the rock are those who, when they hear and receive the word with joy, and these have no root, who believe for a while, and in time of temptation fall away. In time of temptation. So kushuthi there is a time for everything. Phakathi kwekhathi uSolomon ayibona ukuthi kunekhathi khona, even the time of temptation, because Jesus was led by the Spirit into the wilderness to be tempted. So there is a time for temptation. So Jesu uthi ke ngesikhathi sokulingwa ke, so leyilingo lezi zivela in a form of persecutions and tribulation. Yabo? Wenza njani? He falls away. He falls away. Angichabona. Uyawa lo. Uyahluleka ukuma ngoba akanani? Akana impande. Aqhubeke futhi uJesu athi, now the ones that fell among the thorns are those when they have heard, go out and are choked with cares, riches and pleasures of this life, and they bring no fruit to maturity. Yabo. So ke laba balamukela izwi, kodwa the cares of this life, banaka kakhulu izinto zomhlaba, the riches, the pleasures of life, bathanda nobumnandi. And now labantu laba abayeki ukuya enkonzweni, laba abayeki, kodwa abatheli ithelo because of the cares of this life. So impilo yabo ithatheka kakhulu ngezinto zala emhlabeni, bafuna yonke into ihambe kahle la emhlabeni. You know, they are after money, they are after riches, they are after pleasure. You know, bafuna ubumnandi. You know, so laba bantu laba bazalwane, izinto abahlangana nazo endleleni lezi, angitsho yabo, izinto abahlangana. So sizama ukuthini la? Sizama ukuthi izilingo zizofika. Uma ngaba ukayiboni, linda, expect, prepare yourself. Yabo, prepare yourself, because izilingo zizofika. Yingakho uJesu afundisa ukuthi sithi masikhuleka sithi, lead us not into temptation. Lead us not into temptation. Why? Because temptations will come. So utila, in the time of temptation, when the time of temptation comes, they fall away. Akufanelanga ke manje ukuthi ubalwe nabantu abawayo ngekhathi zokulingwa. Abantu abawayo, ungabalwa nabantu abawayo ngekhathi zokulingwa. Fanele wena ubalwe nabanqobayo ngekhathi zokulingwa. Why? Because nenkosi yakho uJesu wanqoba, bazalwane, wanqoba. Yabona. And umuntu bazalwane uma ezolingwa, mhlamba ake sibambe nje just that namhlanje sikubambe nje lokho ukuthi ke uma ufunda ku James chapter 1 verse number mhlamba siqala ku 12 to 15, kuthiwa ke James chapter 1 from verse 12 to 15, blessed is the man who endures temptation. Okay, blessed is the man who endures temptation, for when he has been approved, he will receive a crown of life. Yabo? Blessed is a man who endures temptation. Ubusisi umuntu obekezelayo ezilingweni. Yabona? Obekezelayo. For when he has been approved, kushukuthi uma unqoba izilingo utholi approval. Yabona? Kushuthi uNkulunkulu ukushaya stamp bese lithi he will receive a crown of life. So ilingo uma uhlangana nazo fanele uzibuke ngamehlo athi nayi into ezele ukuzongithatha la ngikhona ingise kwelinye izinga. Yingakho uma uya phezulu nje kuyo le chapter le njoba sifunda uJames chapter 1 uthi ukhuphuka uye phezulu uye ku verse number 2 kuthiwa ke, my brethren, count it all joy when you fall into various trials. Yeah, uthiwa bathandekayo, uma nehlelwa izilingo ngezilingo, kusho ukuthi inhlobo ngenhlobo zezilingo, kuthiwa count it all joy, anothi kukuthokoza. Na uhlangana nalesi uphinde uhlangane nalesi, uthi usahlangane nalesilingo uphinde uhlangane nesi, uhlangana ngeenhlobo zezilingo, kusho ukuthi ulingwa ngayo yonke indlela. Kuthiwa count it all joy, knowing that the testing of your faith produces patience. Kusho ukuthi kuvivinywa ukukholwa kwenu, kodwa lokho kuvivinywa lokho kulethani ukubekezela. But let patience have its perfect work. Let the patience have its perfect work, that you may be perfect and complete and lacking nothing. Yebo? So kusho ukuthi indlela okufanele uinterprete ngayo izilingo ukuthi uma uhlangana nesilingo uthi ukuthokoza. Yabona? Ukuthokoza ngoba this is for your approval phela ungakhohlwa. This is for your approval. And kuthiwa kuletha ini ukubekezela. You know. So kuthiwa ke verse number 12, blessed is a man who endures temptation, for when he has been approved, he will receive the crown of life which the Lord has promised to those who love him. So the Lord has promised a crown of life for those who love him and who has endured temptations. He has promised a crown of life. Bese lithi ke, let no one say when he is tempted, I am tempted by God. So mangabe kumuntu othi uma elingwa athi yena ngilingwa uNkulunkulu. Kushuthi, don't blame God when you are tempted. Jesus was led by the Spirit, but he was not tempted by the Spirit. He was led by the Spirit into the wilderness to be tempted by the devil. So the Spirit of God did not tempt Jesus, but he led him into temptation. He led him to be tempted by the devil. He led him to be tempted. Yeah, he didn't lead him into temptation. He led him into the wilderness to be tempted by the devil. So umoya ongcwele akamlinganga uJesu, kodwa wamholela ehlane ukuba alingwe uSathane. Okay. So ke ungathi ke mawulingwa ke bese wena uthi ngilingwa uNkulunkulu. For God cannot be tempted by evil. God cannot be tempted by evil, nor does he himself tempt anyone. So uNkulunkulu angeke yena lingeke, futhi yena akalingi umuntu. So ke uma ulingwa ungasoli uNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu akalingi umuntu ngoba naye akalingeki. Kusho ukuthi ngoba isilingo ipressure umuntu ahlangana nayo emkhaliselayo noma emcindezelayo ukuthi asuke enkosini, uNkulunkulu ngeke enze into empilweni yakho ayenzele ukuthi wena usuke kuye. Ngeke akwenze lokho. So ke kuthiwa ke now, let no one say when is tempted, I'm tempted by God. For God cannot cannot be tempted by evil, and it does not tempt